Welcome to our comparison of two essential tools for mobile content creators: the Hohem iSteady M7 Gimbal Stabilizer and the TELESIN Master Grip Kit for iPhone 17 Pro Max. In this video, we will delve into their features, performance, and which one might be the best fit for your needs. Whether you're a vlogger, filmmaker, or just someone looking to enhance their smartphone photography, understanding the differences between these two products will help you make an informed decision. The Hohem iSteady M7 features advanced motorized 3-axis stabilization, ensuring smooth and professional quality footage even during dynamic movements. In contrast, the TELESIN Master Grip Kit relies on the iPhone's internal optical image stabilization, which may not provide the same level of stability during aggressive movements. This makes the iSteady M7 a better choice for those who prioritize cinematic shots. When it comes to battery life, the Hohem iSteady M7 offers an impressive 12-hour runtime with the added benefit of reverse charging for your smartphone. On the other hand, the TELESIN Master Grip Kit includes a 3,200 mAh battery that provides wireless charging, significantly extending your shooting time. Both products excel in this area, but the iSteady M7's longer battery life may be more appealing for extended shoots. In terms of ergonomics, the TELESIN Master Grip Kit is designed with a DSLR-style grip, providing comfort and ease of use for extended periods. It is lightweight and portable, making it ideal for casual shooting. Conversely, the Hohem iSteady M7, while offering superior stabilization, is bulkier and heavier, which may be less convenient for some users. Ultimately, the choice will depend on your shooting style and preferences. In conclusion, both the Hohem iSteady M7 and the TELESIN Master Grip Kit offer unique advantages for mobile content creators. If you prioritize stabilization and professional quality footage, the iSteady M7 is the way to go. However, if you value ergonomics, extended battery life, and manual control, the TELESIN Master Grip Kit may be the better choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.